Bigger Boat Collectibles here. Crazy E-double-D-I-E, Crazy Eddie from Bigger Boat Collectibles. Reminding you, if you want it, we got it. We ain't got it, we're going to get it, so get it while the getting's good. Yeah, that's a lot to say. Hey, we're not at the toy shop, though. We are at Big Hollow. Gonna be doing a little camping. As you can see, I just backed in the camper like a glove. So I'm gonna hop out the truck and unhook it. So yeah. Just backed in the camper. I was trying to flip that around. Into the camp spot. Plenty of other campers out here. Crazy thing is, why I'm crazy E-double-E-I-E, Crazy Eddie, I'm not even camping. My camper, I hauled the camper out here, but I'm gonna let my daughter use the camper tonight. Her and her guy friend will be camping. So I'm supervising my employee, chalking the tires. Where'd you put the blocks?
They're right inside the door. There's a cinder block in there if you want to use that.
My camper, it's a toy hauler. It's not the nicest one in the world. It's old. We've had it for several years, but put those little scissor chocks in there to keep her from rolling away on us. Of course, chock the tires. There's my truck, my boat. She brought the cinder block. I don't know why. It's not what I use. I use these things. I don't think I need it, do I? That's what I always use.
Okay. Well, I don't know why we got this.
You brought it.
I'll use it to hold the rug down.
Well, anyways, as you can see, I got to unhook that from the truck, take off those stabilizing bars. You got the key to take the lock off the thing. I'll walk around the other side. This truck pulls it like a beast. Ram heavy duty 2500. It's got the Hemi. Need to get a bigger camper for it. Or big, yeah, for the tow. And I want to get a topper on it. She don't like toppers because she says they're like old people.
Should we unlock that?
I'm gonna set you down for a second. Yeah.
Should we take these off first?
Got them off. Oh. This should. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. Somebody called and interrupted my video. Got her all unhooked. Gonna hook up the electric and the turlet. Yeah, I'll shut it off. You go. I'll shut it off. I'm right here. Okay. She listens. Hey. Gotta drink the water. Anyway, sorry there's something in your eyes. Gonna go get this camper hooked up, get the air on. Like I said, well, I'm not gonna be camping this weekend. My daughter is, she's gonna use it, so get her ready for her. Electricity is plugged in. Didn't even have to use blocks. Normally we have to put blocks under the tires from side to side. Didn't have to do that this time. Didn't have to do a whole lot of leveling, which is nice. It's kind of flat. Some of them are like paved sites, but ours is not. So, I may be doing a video later this evening from the casino or from somewhere. I'm planning on going out with some friends or whatever. That's thinking about going out. Getting the daughter's bikes out on the camper. When we first got this camper, we had a golf cart that we would park in the back in the garage portion of it or whatever, but the batteries were really expensive on that, so I got rid of it, planning on getting a side-by-side, just haven't yet, so one of these days, either that or we'll get another golf cart. See how that goes. She's got the air going. Set this chair out. That's my big boy chair. Yeah. Get the rug. And then set out the rug.
Flip it over. I don't know if we're going to be able to use this rug. There's a hole in the middle. Put it there. I want to have it there. It's the wrong way anyways.
What are you talking about?
I thought I bought another
Which
one.
way should go?
That way.
Anyways, some mice were nice enough to get in our camper over the winter and shoot a hole in our carpet. Or not our carpet, the rug. Our outdoor rug. Well, that's alright, I guess. Let's get a new one. At least we didn't get into nothing else. We had it in storage. And now we just stored it at our shop. At Bigger Boat Collectibles. So, let's see what else I'm gonna be doing. There's the inside of the kitchen, sink and everything. Do they got a TV here and stuff, or are they bringing it?
Do I have a what?
TV, and is the TV in there still? Yeah, we got like a TV and everything in there, whatever they might need for camping. Setting up some more chairs. These are the old school chairs, like that. And a little yoink. I will not be sitting in that. Not strong enough. But yoink. I can sit on the picnic table though. So far, it's what we're looking like at the bikes. If we're a bike ride and going fishing, I don't know if they're gonna go kayaking or whatnot, but we'll see. This campground is not bad. They got the shooting range out here. They got the little playground for kids. They got the observatory, but I think the observatory is only open on certain days. They got the lake, of course, you can go kayaking, fishing, swimming on. However, they do got a little bit of a moss infestation type thing going on. But it's not as bad as I thought it was. Like the past couple years, it was pretty bad. I don't know if they did something to kind of get rid of it a little bit or what, but it doesn't seem as bad as it was before. They also got the shooting range, which is just down the road a piece. If you like shooting the firearms or whatnot, that's pretty fun. I have an AR-15. I have a Shockmaster shotgun, Shockwave shotgun. That's pretty sweet to shoot out here. It's classified as a pistol, but it's a shotgun. I have a couple handguns, a couple rifles. So maybe we'll come out here and do a little shooting. Maybe we'll do a video of that. I don't know. We'll see, you know. You can go hiking. What else can you do out here? Bike riding, of course. If you have a side-by-side or a golf cart, you can ride that around, which we did, and it was fun. It was fun to drive that around. Like I said, the batteries got to the point where they'd only hold the charge for just a couple minutes, and we replaced them once, I think, and it was like $200 some per battery, and there was like 6 batteries in the golf cart. So I was like, what the? Crazy, and they last like 2-3 years, you know, if you treat them right. Maybe get another year out of them, I don't know. So anyways, got rid of the golf cart. Was planning on getting a side-by-side. Haven't done that yet, but it's in my future. It's in the future. Or another golf cart, a gas one though. Not going to do the because it's crazy. Some campgrounds will allow golf carts, but not side-by-side. Some will allow both. Some will allow none. We went to Lake Darling, a couple years ago. Was there for like a week. 5 days riding my golf cart around, going down fishing, going down to the lake, everything like that. On like the 6th day, I went down to the lake to fish, and they pulled me over, and they're like, you can't have the golf cart here. And I'm like, bro, I've been here like 5 days already riding it around, and nobody said a word to me. And now we're gonna, what? And you can't have it there, apparently. We had it at, what was it? It's in Missouri, I can't remember. Mark Twain Lake, I think. And they said you had to have it registered and had to have it, like, I don't know, all this other jazz. You had to jump through all these hoops or whatever to get it there. So, anyways, that's it. Anyways, I'm going to help finish setting up this campsite, get the sewer line hooked up and the water hooked up. Make sure that there's no leaks and stuff, sorry. Because it's been stored over the winter. This is the first time we use it this summer. So, I'll get back on here in a minute. Later, guys.